Hello and welcome back to the AIC Consulting YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into how to restrict a site for a specific module within Sage X3. So, what exactly is a site in Sage X3? Think of it as a dedicated operational unit within your company. It represents physical or virtual locations where your business activities happen. For example, a site could be a warehouse storing inventory, a manufacturing plant assembling components, or an office handling sales and purchasing. Companies can have multiple sites, each potentially running distinct operations or sharing similar ones. And here's a crucial point. Every company created in Sage X3 must have at least one site. Now that we have a clearer picture of sites, let's jump into a demonstration of how to restrict a site for a particular module. We'll start by opening the site function. To do this, navigate to Setup, then Organizational Structure, and finally Sites. For this example, we'll be using site ZA012, African Bikes. Keep that in mind. ZA012, African Bikes. This site is linked to our legal company. Next, click on the Details tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can restrict the site to specific modules and even limit its availability to certain days of the week. But before we restrict it, let's quickly look at a transaction. We'll use a sales order as our example. Please exit this page. Let's create a sales order by going to the Sales module, then the Order submodule, and finally, the Orders function. Choose any existing entry, then click to create a new sales order. For the sales site, let's search for our site, ZA012 African Bikes. And there it is, our site, ZA012 African Bikes. Let's click on it. Now, imagine we don't want this site to be associated with the sales module anymore. How do we restrict it? We'll close this page and head back to the Sites function I showed you earlier. We'll select our site, ZA012 African Bikes. Go to the Details tab again, and then simply uncheck Sales. As you can see, we've deselected it. This means that from now on, site ZA012 will no longer be accessible for sales order transactions. Similarly, users won't be able to access site ZA012 for any transactions within the Sales module. You can also restrict access by days of the week. Users can access the site on the ticked days, like Monday through Saturday, but not on the unticked days, such as Sunday. Don't forget to save this process. Now, let's exit this page and go create a new sales order. When we create a new sales order and try to choose a sales site, lo and behold, ZA012 is no longer available for use in the Sales module. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.